Choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life.
Smoking and inhaling every moment. It was reckless in the old days. I can see it in your eyes, 'cause they never tell.
Hello everyone, it's me again, Charlyn, and welcome back to my channel. If you are just new here, please consider subscribing and turn on notifications so that you won't miss any of my new uploads. Last week, I've been so busy with my kids on their foundation day, and I did some home stuffs, grabbed some groceries, and thank God I find time to do my research for me to share something new and significant with you guys. Well, many of us are getting tired of the heavy traffic going to work every day, getting stressed, or tired of sending job applications and waiting for feedback. And also, many of us choose to stay at home to prioritize taking care of our family. So for today's video, I will share with you guys 10 legit ways of earning money online. If you're a student and looking for a part-time job during your free time, or a newly grad and still looking for opportunities, or a mom who needs to take care of her kids but still want to earn an income while at home, or even an OFW who doesn't want to leave his family anymore to go abroad just to earn a living. Well, stay tuned because I won't waste your time watching. This video is for you. You can earn $100 a day, or if you will take it seriously, you can earn $1,000 to $5,000 a month. Working online does not force you to follow a certain schedule. In fact, you can organize your tasks as well as your working hours based on your planned daily activities. You can work any hour, day, or place provided that you have a stable internet connection. The good thing is, you can choose a job or task that matches your skills. No dress code. You can work online regardless of what you wear. No hassle of changing office attire. You can even work on your pajamas. Now, let's jump to the main topic that I am going to share with you guys. Ten legit ways of earning money online. This is very helpful, especially for those who are currently looking for an extra income. First, data entry jobs online. The internet is filled with work-from-home opportunities. One of the most popular work-from-home options is data entry. There are a number of websites that you can find data entry work from home. These websites offers jobs by project like Fiverr. Fiverr.com offers small projects that pays $5 per project. FlexJobs. FlexJobs also offers data entry jobs that pays varying rates depends on the project. But before starting a data entry job, make sure the websites you do work for are reputable. Do a research first so that you won't get scammed. Second, blogging. Blogging has quickly become one of the easiest way of communicating and spreading information and news. It's a great way to express yourself and also a fantastic way to share your ideas and information with others through writing it online. You can make money with your blog by monetizing with CPC or CPM ads. One of the most common ways bloggers make money is through placing ads on their site, sell private ads, sell digital products, and many more. Third, online paid surveys. Online paid survey is a type of survey where the survey respondents are rewarded for giving their honest response or opinions. In exchange for your honest thoughts on a product or service, you will earn some points or cash. There are a lot of legitimate online survey websites like Moblog, Inbox Dollars, Viewpoint Panel, Swagbucks, and Survey Junkie. And they do pay well. You just need a PayPal account to cash out your earnings. It's so simple. You can even do it on your free time. Complete the survey and get paid. Fourth, virtual assistant. A virtual assistant is generally self-employed and provides professional administrative technical or creative assistance to clients remotely from a home office. Virtual assistants perform many different roles, including typical secretarial work, website editing, social media marketing, customer service, and many other remote tasks. VA work is completely remote, which is make it ideal for job flexibility. There are websites offering VA positions like Upwork, People Per Hour, and Craigslist. Once you land those clients, you can start earning from $20 to $100 per hour, depending on your skills and your niche. Fifth, be a freelancer. Freelancing is basically a different way to work rather than being employed by a company in one specific job. Freelancers are independent and they find work through a variety of sources. Clients hire freelancers to complete a task, project, or a service for them. You can be a freelance graphic designer, marketing consultant, customer support, and etc. And freelancers are getting paid directly to their bank accounts or via PayPal after a job done. Sixth, teaching online. You might have heard about home-based online teaching from someone or read about it somewhere. Home-based online teaching, as its name implies, is a job where you teach students through a web-based teaching tool from the comfort of your home. The most in-demand teaching job online is ESL, where online instructors teaching students who are not native English speakers, and they do get paid well. Seventh, be an online transcriptionist. These professionals create written records of audio or video recordings, meetings, and live conversations, and transcribe to a pre-recorded video or audio content using a software to speed it up or slow down the content as needed to suit their comprehension and typing skills. Transcriptionists make around $15 per hour depending on their skills and time spent. 8. Online testing apps. Did you know that you can earn money by testing mobile and web apps? Yes, you heard it right. You can earn extra cash by testing new apps online. You will get paid $5 to $10 per test by simply spending 10 to 20 minutes of your time giving your feedback on a website or a mobile apps. That's amazing. 9. YouTube. YouTube is the most popular platform online that many people earn a living from. You can earn serious money by just starting your own channel, enable your channel for monetization, connect your channel to Google AdSense in order to earn money and get paid for your monetized videos. You just need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to qualify for it. And lastly, sell products on eBay and Amazon. You can earn money on eBay and Amazon by selling or promoting products without spending a single dime. You just need to follow the steps and create strategies in order to increase your revenue. To sum it up, there is a lot of ways and opportunities online. You just need to figure it out and do a deep research and make sure they are legit. One of the remarkable advantages of earning money online is that it lets you use your free time wisely, and you can earn money without leaving the comfort of your home. These 10 ways that I share with you guys are the top legit opportunities online, and there is more. So, don't forget to subscribe my channel and stay updated because still I have a lot to share. Not only tips, ideas, and opportunities, but also how to improve your lifestyle. Well guys, I hope this video will help you to get some idea on how to earn an extra income online. Choose a job you love and you will never have to work a day in your life. Thank you for watching. Bye!